Hello everyone, this is Matinek, and today I got the smart ring that I want to unbox and show you the demo. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Looks like we do have two USB charger cable. One is for the ring, and then the other one USB-C to charge the charging box. It's nice when it's charging, you get like a background LED light on the charging pad. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the one I got, it has a nice built-in LED screen button, and you tap it and this one will go through the different modes: sleep, walk, and time. And you can also turn off the LCD screen. Press and hold it. Press it and hold it. So to set up the app, I downloaded the J-Ring from the App Store. It's called J-Ring, and I already signed up and put my profile. I'm gonna go ahead and bind the ring, and there you go. It came up right pretty quick. Select it. Alright, so here you have a fine ring option. Oh, basically it lights up. And we can also use this as a remote selfie. Okay, I'm just not gonna do that right now. Nothing. Automatically test the heart rate. So you can schedule it to basically save your battery so it doesn't test all the time. Short video control, I don't need that. So this is the interface, straightforward: sleep, walking, heart rate, blood oxygen. So those are the things you can measure with this ring. There's a new firmware version. Alright, so it's updated. Yep, that's pretty it for the app. There you have it, guys. So this is the smart rings that tracks your sleep, heart rate, oxygen level, and so on. I'll put the link down in the description if you are interested of getting this smart ring. And hopefully you like this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.